Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 green line laser level. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Sigmund CM701. Specifications. Brand, Sigmund. Model, CM701. Type, laser level. First gear, 6 hours. Second gear, 9 hours. Third gear, 15 hours. Fourth gear, 30 hours. Built-in battery, 3.7 V, 4000 mAh. Waterproof grade, IP54. Item number 4 is huepar 4D cross-line laser level. Specifications. Brand name, huepar. Model number, ZK04CG. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Wavelength, 505 to 520 nanometers. Battery capacity, 3.7 V, 8000 mAh Li-ion battery. Mount size, 1/4 inch -20. Projection, 16 line self-leveling green laser tool. Charging port, Type-C. Feature, remote control. Size, 38.5 by 11.5 by 32.6 centimeters. As the item number 3 we've selected, Vever laser level. Specifications. Brand name, Vever. Spinning speed, 0, 60, 120, 300, 600 rpm. Directional scanning angle, 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees. Slope adjusting range, 5 degrees, bidirectional. Light source, laser diode, wavelength, 635 nanometers. Down point diode, accuracy, 1 mm, 1.5 m. Remote controlling distance, approximately 20 m. Waterproof, IP54. Power supply, 220 V. Item number 2 is huepar 3 by 360 degrees laser level. Specifications. Brand name, huepar. Model number, HM03CG. Measurement model, 12 lines. Precision, 3 mm, 10 m. Wavelength, 505 nanometers to 520 nanometers. Laser, green beams. Working distance, 30 m, 98 feet. Size, 23.7 by 17 by 11 centimeters. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, huepar S04CG. Specifications. Brand name, huepar. Model number, S04CG. Is smart device, yes. Type, line lasers. Measurement model, 16 lines. Precision, 3 mm, 10 m. Wavelength, 505 nanometers, 520 nanometers. Size, 37 by 13.8 by 29.5 cm.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.